BBs, whatever. Something to make it heavy on the bottom. And they need to use a 500 milliliter beaker for their work because they're going to be testing in a 500 milliliter beaker. Okay, so if they're doing all their stuff in a graduated cylinder, which is a lovely device for doing this, they're going to be really handicapped when they get to the event and have to put something that they made that's maybe only this tall in here, and oh gee, it tips over, and then suddenly it's ruined.
Will the ones at the competition be plastic or glass?
They will probably be plastic at regional, but no guarantees. But I think it just says standard 500 ml beaker. Right. And these plastic ones are pretty close to the glass ones. But point is, it's a fat thing, and it will have at least 400 milliliters of solution in it. That's all in the rule page. So some kind of ballast, calibration. When you first make it, again, you being the student, start with just your plain distilled water, which is 0%. Get your ballast in there first and make it so that your salinometer is floating, but just barely off the bottom of the beaker. Because everything after that, you're going to have more salinity. Your device is going to float more, right? Go up, and therefore your marks. So start with it as low as possible without touching the bottom. So that's adjusting how much clay you have, how much BB, whatever it is, sand. You could use, where am I? You can get like pipettes like this and put BBs or sand or something like that in them, just something to weigh them down. Okay, those are all possibilities, really simple. Don't spend huge amounts of time on this. 10% of the grade.